the auction of this stunning 1961 Dodge Power Wagon. It's had a complete, no expense spared restoration 400 miles ago. This is absolutely one of the finest Power Wagons around today. The current owner is the proprietor of San Mateo Independent Volvo Service. He and his son began an 18-month restoration where they touched every single piece. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a little drive. It was originally sold to the Bolinas Fire Department in northern Marin County. They used it for 37 years before retiring it with only 6,800 miles on the clock. It was then sold to the second owner, who intended to restore it. Unfortunately, it sat untouched for 19 years until the current owner and his son found it and began their ambitious 100% restoration. They removed the fire equipment, but kept the fire theme to honor those firefighters who used this for so many years. It's won a lot of awards and is now available on Bring a Trailer. Thank you.